అప్సరా రాణి ఆర్జీవిని కలిసిన తర్వాత ఈ అమ్మాయి ఇమేజ్ మారిపోయింది. ఒక్కసారిగా ఒక హాట్ జోనర్లోకి అమ్మాయి ఎంటర్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు ఇండస్ట్రీలో హాట్ హీరోయిన్ అనగానే ఫస్ట్ గుర్తొచ్చేది అప్సరా రాణి. క్రాక్ మూవీతో ఒక సూపర్ డ్యాన్స్ నెంబర్ని కూడా మనకు ముందుకు తీసుకురాబోతుంది. సో ఈ హాట్ గర్ల్ ఇప్పుడు మనతో ఉన్నారు. హాయ్ అప్సరా.
హలో.
హాయ్. ఎలా ఉంది ఈ ఇమేజ్, హాట్ ఇమేజ్?
It's very good, and I think as far as it's a good, hot is beautiful, so why not?
సో ఆర్జీవి అనేది ఒక మంచి ఇంప్రెషన్ ఇచ్చి వదిలేస్తారు ఇండస్ట్రీకి. ఎలా తీసుకున్నారు ఇంప్రెషన్?
Sorry.
RGV given one hot image to you.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you enjoying that image?
Yeah, so I'm definitely enjoying it, and I'm getting a lot of attention, a lot of, for example, this song also I got. This was not for my hot image, but this was for my dancing skills. So I'm a Kathak dancer, and I know almost all kinds of forms of dancing. So this I got, but when Jani Master made me dance, I realized कि मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आता, वो करवा रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा, and he, like, you know, all my body parts were hurting by the end of shoot. I went for a proper spa and everything, so it was very challenging work to do.
He is the star choreographer.
Yes.
in Telugu industry.
Yeah.
Recently he given super duper hit song in Butta Bomma, Vaikuntapuram.
Butta Bomma, yes.
Butta Bomma. Have you watched it?
Yeah, I watched it. I danced also on it, and I went on a family vacation in Goa. So every pubs in Goa they were playing Butta Bomma and we were dancing. So I was like, "Arey, ye master, mere master hai."
So on the sets, how you are enjoying the dance moments? Is it difficult in cinema dances difference from classical dances?
Yes. So this was mass form of dancing, but I have done almost all kinds of dancing in this Bollywood style, freestyle, hip hop. I've learned all, but Jani Master's choreography is not easy. It's not easy, but he's so sweet कि वो मतलब you know sweetly करवा दिया, and later I realized it's hurting everything. So प्यार से करवा दिया, you know, but I think we enjoyed. On sets it was not difficult because before that 2 days I practiced, 2 days if I'm not wrong, 2 days full days I practiced, and I had cold and little bit of fever I had, and that was proper corona time, so we did corona test but nothing was there. So during cold and everything I practiced, but during practice time it was very difficult. At one point I started crying because my body was not it was not healthy,
Not supporting.
Yeah, I was not supporting so much of hard work, but on sets I killed it.
Sharing screen with Raviteja.
Yes.
What is your experience?
Very good experience, and he's a superstar, and I'm a new actor, and I got very lucky that I got a song with him, and I realized one thing: he's very energetic, he's very fit, and that is what we have to learn from him to be for so many years in the industry. We also have to be like that. So it was like I'm so happy I got an opportunity with him. Everybody is gonna watch it, like the whole industry, other industries also are like fans of Ravi Teja. My relatives also from Odisha are fans of him, and they're like, oh, they're not believing that you are a dancer.
Because his films dubbed in Hindi.
His films are remaked also and dubbed in Hindi. So his films are very famous, you know, all over India. So because of him, everybody's gonna watch my song.
What kind of song? Full mass song? Full
mass and proper dancing. And it's like a how Jatra dancing is there, no? It's basically a concept like that. How in small towns there are groups of people who go and perform. So I'm the main dance girl in the song.
Okay, one photo shoot changed your entire career.
Yes.
Insta followers बढ़ गया, Twitter followers बढ़ गया, opportunities बढ़ गया.
Yes.
How you are feeling?
Actually, when the photos were released and everything, that day we were in Hyderabad, we were in outskirts because of corona situations. I was sleeping, okay, and my account was made by the PR team and everything, and when I woke up I'm like 20,000, and then I'm checking 25,000, 30,000. I'm like, arey kya ho raha hai? But to be very honest, nothing, it was all the same for me because we are staying indoors and we are not going in public or something. But yeah, I felt a change because my dad is in Air Force. He's an Air Force officer. But sir he's a retired officer, but because of sir's tweet, so many people were texting him, and we saw your daughter, and your daughter is doing so well. And so that way, mom ko, dad ko, and all my relatives were getting calls from the media people and everything. So that way I felt really nice ki, okay, I'm getting a good recognition. Yeah.
ఇంట్లో సపోర్ట్ ఎలా ఉంది?
Yeah, my parents are very supportive, I would say. They want me to do what I want to do in life, and they also, I think, believe in एक ही जिंदगी है तो अपने हिसाब से जियो.
Okay.
So they are very supportive. They are very protective also. My mom also, she travels with me always. They are very protective, but they are supporting me in what I do.
What kind of roles you are getting?
I'm actually getting all kinds of roles. I just got an offer last week, a periodic film, which is a very Indian thing. And so, for example, Crack Song, it's a dancing, and it's a very Indian Indian version of me, which you've not seen. In RGV Searchwood, that was very international kind of concept, and this is very Indian, mass, commercial, proper Telugu. And another one, I got a periodic film offer. So I'm getting different kinds, because I think now I don't have an image already. I can build it. I can build it with time and with few films. So.
What kind of roles you are looking for? ఎలాంటి రోల్స్ మీకు ఇష్టం?
I'm actually willing to do love story for now. I really like love stories, and yeah, maybe love story and roles. I think whatever I read, I like, I'll do it. I don't have anything fixed, because if I fix something, maybe I will stop myself. I will have a boundary. I don't want to do that. I want to do, explore and learn.
Personally choice होता ना? आपका personal choice क्या है?
Personal choice, I think love stories kind of films.
Okay.
Yeah, good love stories, intense stories, and you know how. And also my favorite film is Rockstar, so that kind of love story, intense.
Crack का team कैसा है? As a director, tell me about the director or producer and your co-artist.
Yes.
What kind of experience you get from Crack sets?
So Crack, we shot for a few days only, but
3 days.
I would say, 3 days, but I would say 4 days we shot, and I was there because of Gopi Chand sir. Gopi Chand sir didn't even meet me. He didn't even see me before the shoot. 3 days before the shoot, when I came for practice, he met me. And he's like, okay, I was like, sir, I should have pranked you. I should have made something on my face, and I should have come with a bad face, and I should have pranked him. But because he didn't know me, he didn't even see me. But I didn't do that, thank God. वरना निकाल देते.
Who finalized it? Johnny Master?
Gopi Chand sir.
Gopi Chand sir. Okay.
Gopi Chand sir, and without seeing me also.
Okay.
So just shoot 3 days before the practice day, I came and I directly started practicing, and I danced, because I don't know how he knew that I'm a good dancer, and because I danced, and RGV sir saw me dancing, and that's how he took me in this film. So I just got this offer, and thanks to Gopi Chand sir. Because of him, this is a new avatar of me. I would say a different look of me that is coming in front of people, and I'm pretty sure they will love it, because this is like so. I don't understand Telugu completely, but the song, it's so catchy. I enjoyed it so much. I'm pretty sure everybody will love it.
And lyrics gurtunaya? Have you remembered the
lyrics? Yes. I know the lyrics. Boom badal na badal soundu. So again, I will dance if I sing.
You got a lot of fans in Telugu industry. So how you are feeling about your fans in Telugu industry?
So I would say Telugu industry is so big and so huge because of the people who live here. They are so open-minded. They are so accepting. They are accepting a girl who's not from our language or our culture. So I think that is why Telugu industry is so big. I think at this point of time, it is the biggest industry and the most ongoing industry. And it is all because of the fans, and I also get so many good messages and so many comments, and I think it makes me feel really nice. I think other industries also have to be like that. I think, so for example, I'm from Odisha. And when all this happened, there was a little bit of controversy. People were a little bit unacceptable about my clothes and everything. And that is my state. I am from there, but I got more love from here, from Telangana.
Have you faced
and Andhra.
any hatred from your state?
Yeah. I faced a little bit. Like the young people were in my support, but the old generation and old cultural people were not liking it. And there was a FIR also apparently on Thriller film. Somebody did some FIR also. But so that was my state. But I think here Andhra and Telangana people and even Tamil industry, I would say these two industry, the people have this big heart and big, I think they want to accept, they want to grow more. So they're accepting new things, which is really nice. Thanks to all the fans. Because if you guys are there, I'm there. If you guys are not there, I don't think I don't even exist without you guys.
Okay, you given one impression to audience and filmmakers and directors. You want to break that image and you want to continue that image.
I think image is not.
Means she is bold, she is hot, she is ready for skin show also. That kind of image you give into your audience. You want to break that image and you want to continue and more and more.
See, I don't think there's an image that is already built, because I'm a new actress, okay? So whatever, for me now, whatever nice project I'm getting, whatever I think I can do this really nice, and if I'm on screen, people have to enjoy it. If that is the point, if that it makes the point, I'm doing it. And let's talk about Skin Show. Skin Show, I think from all actresses, from Zeenat Aman, from all Bollywood actresses plus Tollywood plus, I think
they are all balanced with their acting also.
Yes. But I just have few.
That's why I'm asking. You want to balance.
Yeah, definitely, because I want to be an actress at the end of the day. See, being glamorous, being beautiful is just like a part of it.
Blend both.
But acting is important, performance is important, and I want to concentrate there. So, but I'm a new actress, I'm learning things, and my movie is releasing, Dangerous is releasing soon this year. So then let's see how people like my performance. But in Thriller, everybody loved it. And in Thriller, I was expecting people will talk about how the kind of clothes she's wearing, but after release, people were talking about my performance, and everybody enjoyed my performance. So I'm looking for the same thing now.
ఇప్పుడు మీకు కొన్ని రోల్స్ వస్తున్నాయి కదా, వాటిలో మీ కెరియర్కి కానీ మీ పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ కానీ స్కోప్ ఉన్న రోల్ ఏమైనా ఉందా
సో
ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్? అంటే
సో ఐఎమ్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్
అంటే ఇప్పుడు what you are doing in present roles, they given any chance to expose your performance
in Dangerous? Yes, Dangerous has a lot of performance, and unfortunately that has no dancing. But yeah, we are shooting some more songs, so it will have. But yeah, performance, it is only about performance, and it is like a film where the bond between two girls is shown. It was very challenging also, because we hardly see two girls as lovers, no? We don't see two girls roaming, but we see a guy and a girl holding the hand and roaming. But this was very challenging.
Experimental.
Experimental, challenging, and since I'm a new actor also, so for us it was very challenging to build that chemistry. And but at a point, no, I could understand the characterization. I could literally, we sat, we spoke about the characterization, we spoke about the kind of person, and the character in the film is different.
Have you watched Fire? Nandita Das before she acted.
No, yeah, Nandita Das also from Odisha. I know about that film. I think
it's a same kind of.
Yeah, it's like a lesbian. I've not watched it, but I've read the synopsis of it on Google. I've not watched, but I think that is a very subtle way of the film. What I heard about it, it was very subtly done, because it was in later, like early times. But now I think our movie is very, it's whatever the romance is there, the actual romance, like it's like a real life thing has been shown, which I also support. I support LGBT now. Like since my modeling days, I had a lot of gay friends, a lot of transgender friends. So when I did this film, I was like, I have to do justice to this film, and I was very happy about it.
Okay, Telugulo elanti offers vastunda From Telugu, what kind of offers?
There are a lot of offers. There's some periodic film offers, and I was talking about, and I'm getting some offers in Bollywood also. In Tamil industry also, I'm getting. My mom got 3-4 calls from Tamil industry, but I'm still looking for some good story. We liked some stories we finalized, so I've not signed, but if I like it, I will sign. I have finalized few scripts which I like, so maybe in Tamil and Telugu both I've got offers.
Thank you very much, Apsara.
Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
This is Abhinav Gomatam.
Hello, Nenu Avantika Mishra.
Hello, this is Tarun Bhaskar. Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.
Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.
Please subscribe to TV5 Tollywood.